Hello, diecast fans, and welcome to another brand new episode of Jim's magnificent miniature motor cars. Now, the motorsport fans among you may have heard that a couple of days ago, Ferrari won the 24 Hours of Le Mans for the first time since 1965. And what better way to celebrate such an auspicious occasion than with the unboxing of two brand new Ferraris from Tomica, the Ferrari Daytona SP3. Let's get on with the unboxing, shall we? The Ferrari history buffs among you will know that the Daytona is actually an homage to one of the cars that Ferrari raced at Le Mans in the 1960s. So you can see the connection is more than just a passing one. Okay, there's the red one. Very nice. Very nice contouring. Of course, it's against Tomica's religion to put fender mirrors on the car, even though these fender mirrors don't even go on the doors, but rather on the front fenders. Anyway, that aside, it's a very nice car. I still prefer the SF90 that I unboxed last year. This is not too bad. Let's try to adjust the focus here. I think, well, I've seen better from Tomica, but it's not bad. This gets an 8.5 from me. Let's check out the other color. This is black, it's the same car. You'll note I didn't pull a picture of the actual car because we have the benefit of that on the box. Anyway, the black car is obviously the same car, but you see, here's the thing. I've commented on this before about black cars. You lose details. See, if you look at the red car, look at these wonderful contrasts to the vents and the lights. You don't get that on the black car. Now, I don't know what the deal is with Tomica and Ferrari. Was this the only color? Were these the only colors that Ferrari licensed to Tomica? I don't know. But if it had been Tomica's choice, I really think they should have gone with something brighter like yellow or even blue, just so you could see these black contrasts. I mean, you know, if I didn't know any better, I think that Tomica was cheaping out on us by just painting everything black, and I don't like that. So yeah, I'm happy enough with the red one. Give it an 8.5, but I'm really not happy with these black color schemes that do this. You know, so I'm gonna give this a 7.5. Yeah, it is the same car as the red one, but you can tell that Tomica were pinching pennies or something like that. Anyway, that notwithstanding, well, it's a nice way to welcome Ferraris back to the channel for the first time in a while. Okay, and that's it for this unboxing. Hope you folks enjoyed this episode. If you're new to the channel, please consider giving me a like and a subscribe and hitting that notification bell.